Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we are giving ourselves to the strongest one. We'll be exploring the meaning of Al-Qawi, the beautiful attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the strongest one, the inexhaustible. He possesses all strength. Allah is able to overcome all and none may touch him. On the action of his strength, there are no conditions that are difficult or easy. He can create 1 billion universes with the same cause with which he creates a blade of grass. With his inexhaustible strength, he sees to the continuation of the creation and the protection of the creatures and guides their actions until the appointed time. So who is Abdul Qawi? Abdul Qawi is the servant who is honored with the manifestation of the strength of Al-Qawi. With Allah's power, this servant defeats lust, worldly ambitions, anger, and negativity, and the other soldiers of the devil. By the grace of the manifestation of the name in him, he becomes able to destroy always and everywhere all enemies, man, devil or jinn. None can oppose him. He repels all opponents through the power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whose strength is victorious over all. If a believer who has a tyrannical enemy against whom he has no chance to defend himself makes a dough from a flour and water, then fashions from this dough 1,000 little balls, each the size of a chickpea, and throws them to the birds to eat one by one, reciting the name Ya Qawi each time. Allah, the possessor of all strengths, will protect him. Ya Qawi is the litany of Hazrat Israel, the archangel of death. The ones who recite this name 116 times every day, if they are weak or tired doing their daily prayers, will find strength and enjoy them. If they suffer during a difficult and dangerous voyage, they will not feel the pain. If a person is entering a dangerous place or a situation, to recite Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Wala hawla wala quwwata illa billahil aliyyul azim. In the name of Allah, all merciful and compassionate, and there is no strength nor power save in Allah, the High, the Great, may eliminate the dangers or give one strength to face them. May Allah Ta'ala gives you strength to face all the problems and the hindrances you face in daily life. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.